Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can remove a Snapchat shortcut. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead, open up your particular Snapchat app, remove this, and then simply take a snap, but make sure that you have a shortcut will appear on top. If you want to create a new one, you can simply go ahead, tap on this new and create yourself a new shortcut, right, by tapping on this new shortcut option. But I already have one, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, go to this shortcut right over here, and then I'm going to go to this camera icon. I'm going to click click a story, click a snap, then tap on send to at the bottom. Then what you need to do is you need to tap this new button again, and you're going to tap on this, and then you're going to select the shortcut that you want to remove, and then you're going to find this delete icon on top right corner. Simply go ahead, tap on it, tap on yes, delete this shortcut, and there you go, your shortcut has been removed. And when you go back to your chat section, you will not find that shortcut on top, as you can see. That's how it works. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.